On hot summer days, has your welding machine ever run into intermittent laser output or completely shut down? Do you want to weld on construction sites only to find that the voltage fluctuations are too severe, causing the machine to trip out? Do you wish to weld outdoors at will, but found your welding machine too large and heavy to manage? Here comes Synfeng air coating handheld laser welding machine. This machine has passed SGS laboratory testing for extreme temperatures, ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. With SGS certification, it demonstrates excellent performance in thousands of high and low temperature tests. It can perform exceptionally well in any season so as to relieve users' concerns. Work stably from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Light in weight. The entire machine weighs about 50 kilograms and occupies an area of less than 0.17 square meters. Its lightweight body is usually accompanied with a more portable and free-moving. That is, wherever you want to weld, it's up to you. Plastic welding gun is dust, leak, and splash-proof. In this way, its length can be well protected. For greenheads, it's easy to learn and get started because of contact-rich welding craft library and 18 foreign languages available. Safety alarms are also set up to ensure you can start welding with peace of mind. We reserve unique I/O auto-run interface for interconnection with robots, making it much smarter. Whether you are at home or outdoors, both machine power and voltage will be stable. In addition to welding, it can also cut, remove rust, and clean weld seams, combining 4 major functions into one machine. The welding workpieces have neat, smooth, and aesthetically pleasing welding seams with no deformation but fine performance in bending, hardness, and tensile strength tests. It can satisfy most global users as far as possible.